Here we're asked to find the inverse of g of x here. And so first I'm going to go ahead and plug in y instead, and then I'm going to solve for x. So multiply both sides by 3, which gives me 3y equals 2x plus 1. Then subtract 1 from both sides, and I get 3y minus 1 equals 2x. And I divide both sides by 2. And then I'm going to switch the x and the y value. So I'm going to get y is equal to 3x minus 1 over 2. Let me rewrite that actually. So 3x minus 1 over 2. And so when we are verifying if it is the inverse, we're going to plug the entire inverse here into the original function. So what that looks like here is I'm taking the original function here, and instead of plugging in x, I'm going to plug in the entire inverse. So it's really going to be 2 times 3x minus 1 over 2. So I plug in the whole thing, then I add 1 over 3. And then I'm just solving, right? So if I multiply 2 by this whole thing, it simplifies to 3x minus 1 plus 1 over 3. If we subtract 1 and then add it back, these cancel out, which gives me 3x over 3. And these 3's cancel out, which leaves me with just x, so I'm good there. Now, if I'm plugging in the original function into the inverse, same idea here. We're taking, so we have the inverse here, and I'm plugging the original function in for x. So what that would look like is 3 times 2x plus 1 over 3 minus 1 over 2. So these 3's cancel out, which gives us 2x plus 1 minus 1 over 2. These cancel out, leaving us with 2x over 2, and these 2's cancel out, which leaves us with just x, and now we're verified.